Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome to Selenium Python training program. Today we are going to discuss about alerts. So what exactly an alerts is? Alerts are blocking in nature until and unless we handle the alerts, we can't perform any operation on a browser. Right? We can't perform any operation on the browser. And there are different alerts, simple alerts, text alerts, different types of alerts is there. But whichever the alert might be, the handling mechanism is one and the same in WebDriver. So let me show you this example. See, this is a form basically. On this form, when you are loading it, one second, whenever I'm just refreshing this form, you know, this is how the form looks like only for testing and alert. First name and a last name is there. If you stay on that application for few seconds, an alert is displaying like this. Okay, you don't need to do anything. Just stay on that page. This alert is getting displayed. Now, you need to write down a WebDriver program. See here, until and unless I click on an OK, see, I am unable to enter the first name, last name, anything. I can't perform any other operation in a browser until and unless I handle these alerts. Now, we need to know how to handle these alerts. Okay, the steps in order to handle this scenario are Okay, the steps in order to handle this scenario are open the app and then wait for 15 seconds in the browser. Don't perform any operation. An alert will display. Now, you need to write down a WebDriver program to switch to the alert. Okay, that's fine. So let me copy the 29th program and let me create a new script here, example 33. Okay, and in this script I don't want all the these bunch of commands, hence I am deleting all these commands which are not required, and I am copying the application URL and I am just updating the application URL in my program. And once after I have updated my URL here, okay, the next point is, okay, once after we updated the URL here, the next point is wait for some time in a browser. So I want to wait for 15 seconds on a browser. As soon as we waited for 15 seconds, an alert is displaying. So driver dot switch to dot alert. The first method it is displaying as an alert. So we are asking our WebDriver to switch its complete control to an alert, and I'm storing the whole information in a. And now the various operations we can perform on an alert are we can get a text from the alert, we can enter a value on the alert, we can accept or we can click on OK button on the alerts, and we can click on cancel button on the alert. So these are all the various operations. Let us see the various commands to perform this stuff. To perform all these operations, we have to use the alert itself, the A instance. So switch back to your editor. A dot text is a command which will be getting the text, which will get the text from the alerts. A dot send keys is a command. If there is a text field on that particular alert, it will enter data into that field. And then A dot accept is a method which will click on OK button on the alerts. A dot dismiss is the one which will click cancel on the alert. So these are all the four different methods whatever we have. Among all these methods, in my situation, I want to get the text. So print A dot text method and A dot accept is the method which I am using. So here print successfully handle the alerts. Okay, successfully handle alerts. That's it. Let me run my test script and see how this is going to work. Run as a demo 33. It's launching the browser and it should open the application on a browser, and then it will try to maximize it. An alert got displayed. Now, my WebDriver program should handle this alert. So let's go back to the program and see here in the console, it should handle it. As we have a given time as a 15 seconds, it's waiting out over there. And a dot text is a command. It's just capturing the text, which is an unexpected alert. And finally, it printed the desired message. So the bottom line is on any application, if you have alerts, these are the four different actions. Depending on your requirement, you may choose any one of these operations. Cool. That's all I have for this alerts topic, guys. Thank